Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? Cat plus ill, cattle. Dry plus V, drive. Cattle drive. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car. As we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you. Thank you, Gene. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our show. And welcome back also to these two players. They're both very good. The lady on my right is Kelly Kurd, and she won $10,005 in prizes in her very first game.
Thank you.
Thanks to this lucky giraffe. Is he going to be working for you today?
I hope so.
All right. Good luck to you. You're facing the same opponent as in our last match. His name is Stuart Wolf. Stuart, welcome back to you. Stuart did all right last time out. He won a game and $1,100 in cash. And today, the two of you go for, among others, this prize.
The chief executive's favorite, this rocking horse is hand-carved of solid wood, complete with real leather saddles, stirrups, mane, and tail, furnished by Woods by Hartco. Alex.
Toys for grown-ups, I guess. Stuart and Kelly, take a look on the board, and we'll show you where you can find the executive rocking horse. It's at number 14, and we also have a holiday on the Isle of St. Martin.
All right.
Kelly, you lost the last game on our last program, so you go first today.
Okay.
That's a bit of an advantage for you.
Okay, let's start off at number 4.
St. Martin Beach Resort Vacation.
Okay, let's find a wild card or a match in the number 12.
Satin betting. No match there, obviously, so we'll go right to Stuart.
Okay, I'd like to start out this time with my mother's birthday. 2.
Wild card. Your parents' birthdays have been very good to you. Your dad's was great yesterday,
Well,
and
I'm gonna go away from my mother's birthday and go for the trip if I may. Actually, no. You know what? I'll go for her number. Number 8. The 8.
Number 8.
Oh, Mom will like that.
Food processor. You passed up on a holiday on the Isle of St. Martin for a food processor, but it is early. The other food processor is at number 17. Your mom's going to be proud of you, though, for sticking with her birth date. Let's take a look at the puzzle. Go again.
Okay, I'd like to see what's under number 9.
There's a wild card. See if things are working out for you.
I think this time I'll go back to number 4.
Number 4 for the Isle of St. Martin. Yes. The other St. Martin Beach Resort is right next to it, so you're going to get a look at 3 more pieces of the puzzle in that upper right-hand corner.
Is it Shabarini Dooster? It's a long story, Alex.
Shabarini Dooster. Is that the solution? What is Shabarini Dooster?
A good friend of mine, Mark Ellman, was on the show a year ago, and that was a guess he made for one of his nephews. So it's because of him that I'm on the show, so I figure I should do that much more.
You figured you would come up with the same ridiculous line that he did. Shabarini Dooster.
Uh-huh.
All right, if there are any future Classic Concentration players out there, remember, Shabarini Dooster, when there is doubt in your mind. Stuart, pick 2 numbers.
I probably pronounced it wrong, too. Okay, let's see what's under number 15, my lucky number.
Deluxe sewing machine.
And let's go to the bottom left-hand corner, 21.
Dishwasher, no match. Kelly?
Okay, let's see what's in the center under number 13.
Deluxe sewing machine.
And that was at 15?
Yes. There's a match for you. You got it indeed. Open these 2 doors for her. Kelly has 1 strike against her, which means that she can't afford to lose another game. Stuart is clean.
Okay.
Kelly, go again.
Let's see behind number 11.
Wild card for you.
Okay, and let's see what's next door at number 12.
Satin betting. The other satin betting is in the lower right-hand corner at number 25. And there's a prize for you and a chance to study the puzzle with a little bit more showing.
Not yet. Okay, let's see behind number 23.
Green take.
I need one of those. Let's try for the match under number 20.
No, we have diamond tennis bracelet there. Stuart, over to you.
Okay, let's see what's under number 24.
Computer.
And go for a match under your lucky number, Alex, 22.
Electronic typewriter, so it didn't work out for you, perhaps for Kelly.
Okay, gosh, a lot of Lots of good prizes. Let's see behind number 1.
Green take.
And the other green take behind number 23.
23 is the green take. You did it naturally. Now, I know, Kelly, you don't even have to tell me. I know you want the food processor.
Well, you know, I already have 2.
Really?
Yeah.
You need them when you're raising a child, don't you?
Okay.
Don't you? Mash up all the foods?
Sure. Sounds good.
But you don't want another one?
No.
You want the egg?
I'll take the trip.
All right.
There's still a red take, but...
St. Martin Beach Resort vacation could be Kelly's to enjoy if she solves the puzzle. Can she do it right now? Pardon me. Keep going.
Not yet. Okay, let's see behind number 21, please.
Dishwasher.
And was that next door at number 22?
No, the electronic typewriter is there. Stuart, over to you.
Okay, Alex, let's see what's under number 6.
Computer.
And I believe we saw that under number 24.
You're right, and that's another match for your side. You lost the vacation, but you're making up for it with this prize. Let's open these 2 doors for you. Go again.
Okay, let's see what's under number 19.
Red take.
Red take. And maybe we can find a match for that under number 3?
No, executive rocking horse, which we showed you at the beginning of the game. Kelly.
Okay, that rocking horse was behind number 14. And the match under number 3.
There's a match for you. Another prize up there. Could be a big payoff again for you if you win the game, Kelly. Can you solve it? Go again.
Nope. Okay, let's see behind number 20, please.
Diamond tennis bracelet.
Was that next door at number 19?
No, that's the red take. Stuart.
Okay, I think if we saw the red take, I forgot where it was. Let's see what's under number 10.
Dishwasher.
And I believe that's in the corner, number 21.
21 is right. You got it. 3 prizes for you. Let's see what happens as we open these doors. Kelly just started fidgeting in her
I know.
chair.
I'd like to see what's under number 18.
Electronic typewriter.
And number 22.
Electronic typewriter. Open. Stuart, all you need to do now is make 1 match.
Let's
That's
go
all.
for 16.
Red
And 19 for the match.
That's a match. Here's the take.
I'd like to take back St. Martin if I can.
The trip to the Isle of St. Martin goes back to Stuart Wolf's side. We'll open these 2 panels, and then we will show him 7 and 20. Diamond tennis bracelet will go up in his prize column as well. And now, Stuart, as we open these doors, solve this puzzle.
Is it sort of grows on you?
It sort of grows on you. Winning sort of grows on you. Congratulations. You're the new champion. Let's go to the board. Sorry, Kelly.
That's fine.
You took your time, but you did it well, so explain it to the folks at home.
Okay, to be honest, I didn't get it until after everything was removed from the board. I knew it was hit for it, and then I knew this was either a sword or a nose, but it's sword, and this, of course, is the dove. And then we go down here for the G, which was hidden for a long time, next to the rose for grows. And then the arrows were pointing at the on, so that's grows on. And then the U, so it sort of grows on you.
Well done. Well done. That's 2 games in a row for you. And 2 defeats in a row for Kelly. And that means we have to say goodbye because of the 2 strikes against you. However, in your first game, you won, and you won big. $10,005 in prizes. Kelly, congratulations. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
All right, Stuart. We've got some good prizes. Let's hear about them right now. Gene.
An electronic typewriter, a food processor, and a computer. The Apple IIe personal computer for business, learning, or fun with built-in keyboard, disk drive, and standard 128K memory. And a dishwasher, a Whirlpool Power Clean Energy Saver portable, convertible, or under-counter dishwasher with Power Clean washing system and exclusive in-the-door silverware basket, furnished by Whirlpool. And a diamond tennis bracelet, a fashionable 14-karat gold tennis bracelet with 62 round diamonds, each hand set in 4 prongs, 1 carat total weight from the Michael C. Fina Company, and a St. Martin Beach Resort. We'll fly you in a companion from Los Angeles aboard Delta Airlines to San Juan. You may visit the exclusive Crown Room Lounge before boarding, and while in flight, experience warm and friendly hospitality furnished by Delta Airlines. And you'll spend 6 nights at St. Martin's La Belle Creole, a beachfront resort with the intriguing charm of the French Mediterranean. Distinctive island cuisine and secluded beaches furnished by Conrad Hotels La Belle Creole. And this is a prize package worth a big number, $7,533.
We were impressed with Kelly picking up 10 grand, but 7,500 is very impressive as well, Stuart. And an opportunity for you again when we come back to try for the cars once more after these messages. So please stay right where you are. Stuart, don't worry about where you're supposed to stand. You're just fine here. Here are the 15 numbered squares for you. As long as you can see them clearly, then we don't have a problem. Here's the clock with 40 seconds. You can see that. Good luck. Off you go.
Thanks. 1, 3.
No.
4, 6.
Nope.
7, 9.
No.
10. 12. 12.
No.
13. 15.
No.
12. 15.
Right.
14. 11.
No.
4. 8.
No.
13. 8.
Right.
5. 2.
No.
7. 3.
No.
2. 6.
No.
5. 3.
Yep.
9. 10.
No.
4.
Out of time. Well, you got 3 of them matched up. Got a little nervous this time, didn't you?
Just a little, yeah, a little confused.
See, whenever you win big, you get nervous, obviously. You've got 8,633. 8,633. And you're going to go on and play in our next game right after this. S's competing. We have Stuart, our champion, and we're delighted to welcome this lovely young lady, Sylvia Kim. Hi, Sylvia.
Hi.
Nice having you here. You look so very young. Are you still in school?
Yeah, well, I'm going to college right now.
Where?
University of California, Berkeley.
Yeah? What are you going to major in?
I want to major in geography and math.
With a view to doing what later on?
I want to become a cartographer and make maps of the new regions.
I see. Would you be able to work at that here in Southern California? Is there a marketplace for cartographers, or would you have to go east, work for the, Rand McNally people or National Geographic, something like that?
I think it's pretty flexible, but I wanted to travel also and do some surveying.
Ah.
Yeah.
Sounds like an exciting life ahead of you. I hope your visit to Classic Concentration is exciting also. Take a look over here, and we'll show you one of the prizes.
To help keep you fit and trim, this Concord 300DX provides a home gym system with heavy-duty rollers and 220-pound weights furnished by California Gym Equipment Company. Alex.
Don't worry, Marjorie. We will never let them see you sweat. Stuart and Sylvia, take a look at our board. The gym equipment is at number 21. We have those 5 bonus seconds in this round, of course. Sylvia, you get to pick first. We've got $500 in the cash pot and a trip to Hawaii.
Oh, my gosh.
Make a selection.
Well, after my indulgent summer, let's look for the gym equipment under 13.
Dead center. Diamond topaz earrings. Good prize.
Well, those would be nice anyways. And how about number 6 for the match?
No, we've got a red take there, so we go right to Stuart.
Okay, now I'd like to start with my girlfriend's birthday. Number 9.
35mm camera package.
Okay, and number 12.
5 bonus car seconds. No match. Sylvia.
Okay, well, can I see what's under number 20?
There's a wild card.
Okay, well, can I get the gym equipment under number 21?
21, certainly. The other gym equipment, just above it at number 16. So 3 panels opening up right now for Sylvia Kim. Gosh, you'd have to be a psychic to figure this out. Go again.
Can I see what's under number 10?
35mm camera package.
And was the match for that under number 9?
35mm camera package. Well done, Sylvia. 2 more doors opening up. Select again.
Can I see what's under number 24?
Green take.
Oh, that'd be good for insurance. Possibly under number 4?
No, 5 bonus car seconds, which we have seen, Stuart.
Okay, I think that was under number 12, Alex.
Yep.
And number 4.
That's a good match for you to make, because if you get back to the winner's circle, those 5 seconds would help a lot.
Big
Let's
help.
open this up. Pick again.
Okay, let's see what's under my lucky number, number 15.
How about a wild card?
Okay, and let's go fishing for Hawaii because I'd like to take my girlfriend Susan there. Let's try number 11.
11? No.
Oh.
The porcelain table lamps is what we have there, and the other porcelain table lamps at the top at number 2. 3 panels opening up for Stuart Wolf. Go again.
Okay, let's see what's at the top left-hand corner, number 1.
Patio furniture.
And let's try number 8.
No. Cash pot, $500 there. Sylvia?
Well, I could use that money. Is the cash pot under number 22?
Patio furniture.
Oh, tell me I saw it under number 6.
All right. I'll tell you, you didn't see it in number 6. Stuart?
I'm sorry, I think it's under number 1.
Number 1. Yes, she was in the right area, but
And number 22.
not bang on. Number 22 is the match. Patio furniture, 3 prizes for Stuart. 2 panels again, swinging open for him. Try it again.
All right, let's see what's under number 14.
Green take.
And I believe we saw that under number 24.
Did we? Yes. Well done, Stuart. Home tin, 35mm camera outfit.
I think I'll hold on to it for right now.
Okay. Let's open these 2 doors for him.
Okay, let's see what's under number 3.
Diamond and topaz earrings.
And did we see those under number 13?
Diamond and topaz earrings. I was about to say that we hadn't exposed anything in that center column, but that is no longer the case. Would you like to use the take?
I think I'll hold on to it just one more time.
All right, 2 panels are opening up in that middle column. Try it again. Whoa, there's the bell. You won't get a chance to use the take after all. Hands on your signaling buttons. We're going to start revealing. We'll begin with number 5. 6, 7, 8, 17, 18. You ring in when you think you can solve it. 19. Stuart?
Is it for the rec spring?
For the Rex plane?
Spring.
Rex spring? No. 23 and 25 are about to open up for you, Sylvia. Can you solve this puzzle?
For the record.
Did she get it in time? Can we consider it? All right. Is it for the record? Yes, it is. All righty. Explain it.
Okay, well, I saw the 4. I thought that was a window, actually, at first. So that's the 4 plus the for the, and then the car wreck for the wreck, and then the phone cord for the wreck cord.
For the record. All righty. Well done. Now you're nervous. Now you're shy. Stuart, sorry it didn't work out. That's just 1 X against you. That means you'll play again, so we'll see you in the next game.
Looking forward to it.
For now. You won the gym equipment. That was a good prize.
Yeah, definitely.
And you're going to get to play for a brand new car. And didn't you have something else up in your prize column besides the gym equipment?
35mm camera.
That's right. Yes, that's a good prize. We'll come back after this break, folks. Some good news. Sylvia's solution to the puzzle a few moments ago was such a close call that it could have gone either way. We ruled in her favor, of course, but we may have disadvantaged Stuart. And so what we're going to do is we're going to take away the X. So he's going to come back and play in our next game, but he will not have an X against him, so he can afford to lose 2 more. Stuart, we'll see you in the next one, all right?
Thanks, Alex.
But we don't want to disadvantage Sylvia because she did come up with a solution. So she's going to play for a car right now. 15 numbered squares for you on the board. And we'll switch places. It doesn't matter. I would have been out of the shot anyway. Sylvia, here's the clock with 35 seconds. Good luck. Off you go.
1, 15.
No match.
2, 3,
Nope.
4, 15.
Yes.
5, 6,
No.
2, 6.
Yes.
7, 8,
Nope.
9, 10.
No.
3, 10.
Right.
11, 9,
No.
7, 11,
Yes.
12, 9,
You're right.
8, 14.
Wow. You were cruising along very nicely there. Way to go. You've got the gym and the 35mm camera equipment, and you're going to play again. We're going to take a break right now after we hear from Gene, of course.
Some of today's participants may receive Regina Dirt Magnet Electric Hand Vac. Attachments included for versatility. So powerful by Regina. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
We'll see you all next time. So long, everyone.
This is Gene Wood speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.